Okay, so now look at this example for compound inequality. Okay, so in this example, we need to solve the inequality x minus 9 less than 2x plus 7 less than or equal to 8 plus 5x, and express the solution in real number line, interval notation, inequality form, and set notation. Okay, so for this example, or for this compound inequality, we have two situations. The first situation is x minus 9 less than 2x plus 7. And the second situation, it is about 2x plus 7 less than or equal to 8 plus 5x. Okay, so this one is a second situation, and this one it is about first situation. Okay, so kita selesaikan. So in the first situation, we have x minus 9 less than 2x plus 7. Okay, so untuk yang ini, in the left hand side, we need to minus 9. Okay, so plus 9 in the left hand side, and in the right hand side we need to plus 9 also. Okay, so kita tambahkan 9 untuk dapatkan x ni. Alright, so kita selesaikan. So negative 9 plus 9, we have 0. So here we have x less than 2x plus 7 plus 9 is a 16. Okay, so next this 2x we bring to the other side, then we will have negative 2x. So x minus 2x less than 16. So here we have negative x less than 16. Okay, so now we solve for this negative x by multiplying with negative 1. So kita darabkan dengan negative 1 untuk selesaikan x ni. So darabkan dengan negative 1 in the left hand side. In the right hand side, we need to multiply with negative 1 also. Okay, so the inequality sign will be changed from less than, then here we have greater than. Okay, so we solve for this one. Then here we have negative 1 times negative x. We have x. We have x. X is greater than 16 times negative 1. We have negative 16. So in the first situation, we have x is greater than negative 16. So next we solve for second situation. All right. So in the middle here is n. Okay, because the situation for this inequality, it is about n. Sebab kita ada x minus 9 less than 2x plus 7 n less than 8 plus 5x. Ataupun x minus 9 less than 2x plus 7, and we have another situation which is 2x plus 7 less than or equal to 8 plus 5x. Okay. Alright, so now we solve for this one. In the left hand side, we minus 7. And in the right hand side, we need to minus 7 also. Okay, and then we solve. Selesaikan. Then 2x plus 7 minus 7, we have 2x less than or equal to 8. 8 minus 7, we have 1. We have 1 plus 5x. Okay. So next is 5x, we bring to the other side, then we will have negative 5x. So here we have 2x minus 5x is less than or equal to 1. Okay, so we solve for this one. Then here we have negative 3x less than or equal to 1. So for this one, we need to divide all the terms by negative 3. And this inequality sign will be changed to greater than or equal. And the other side, in the right hand side, we need to divide it by negative 3 also. Okay, so here we have negative 3x over 3. We have x. X is greater than or equal to negative 1 over 3. Okay, so next untuk dapatkan jawapan dia, kita kena present dalam number line. So the first one is a number line. So this is a number line. Okay, so position for negative 1 over 3 is here. Kat sini negative 1 over 3. Negative 1 over 3 is greater than negative 16. Okay, so negative 16 dekat sini. Alright, so kita buat ini. X is greater than negative 16. So the number line, it will be x is greater than negative 16 and it goes to the right, which is goes to a positive infinity. Okay, so next for x is greater than or equal to negative 1 over 3. So the values of x, okay, no, negative 1 over 3, says dia inclusive. Okay, so inclusive, so kita colourkan bulat dia. And then it goes to the right also, which is positive infinity. Okay, so in order to get the answer, kita tengok yang overlap. Okay, tengok yang overlap. So untuk overlapping dia dekat sini adalah x is negative 1 over 3. Here. Okay, and it goes to infinity. Okay, so here we can say that the solution for this compound inequality, it is about x is greater than or equal to negative 1 over 3. Okay, so in an interval form, it will be x interval negative 1 over 3 to infinity. Okay, to infinity. 1 over 3 to infinity. So dalam interval inequality, dia adalah x is greater than or equal to 1 over 3. Okay, so in set notation, dalam set notation, dia adalah x, okay, in the curly bracket, x is any real number such that x is greater than or equal to 1 negative 1 over 3. Okay. Right. Example 2.